The case takes a new turn when on July 25, KK Singh, the father of Sushant Singh Rajput, lodges an FIR in Patna against Rhea Chakrabarti and his family. Hey everyone, आपने कहावत तो सुनी होगी कि सत्य परेशान हो सकता है पर पराजित नहीं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के डिसीजन आने के बाद ये बात फिर से एक बार साबित हो गई कि भारत की न्यायपालिका में देर जरूर है पर अंधेर नहीं। आखिरकार जीत हो ही गई उस परिवार की जो पिछले 64 दिनों से लगातार सीबीआई की मांग कर रहा था। जीत हो गई उस 130 करोड़ की जनता की जो लगातार सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू आवाज उठा रहा था और सीबीआई की मांग कर रहा था। ये जीत एक तमाचा है उन दो बोले बॉलीवुड वालों के लिए जिन्होंने इतना सब होने के बाद भी चुप्पी साधी रखी और कोई आवाज नहीं उठाई। It all started on June 14, 2020 when Sushant was found dead in his Bandra apartment in Mumbai. As per reports, he was found hanging from the ceiling fan in his apartment. Then comes the next date, June 18. Sushant's rumored girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti makes a statement in front of the Mumbai police. As per the reports, Rhea told the police that Sushant was in depression since a very long time and he was undergoing a medical treatment. So after this, the Mumbai police started investigating the professional rivalry angle. On July 6, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the famous filmmaker, was called and the statement was recorded by the Mumbai police. As per the reports, Sanjay Leela Bhansali revealed that he wanted to work with Sushant Singh Rajput, but because of the problem of dates, they couldn't work together. Now comes the date, July 14. On July 14, Rhea Chakrabarti took her Instagram account and pens down an emotional post for the late actor. Then comes July 16. On July 16, Rhea Chakrabarti writes a letter to Amit Shah asking him for a CBI investigation in this case as she wants to know what actions prompted Sushant to take such step. She publicly accepts that she was the girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput and they were actually in a live-in relationship. Then comes the date July 18. On July 18, Aditya Chopra, the biggest filmmaker, Yash Raj Production, was called and he makes a statement in front of the Mumbai police. As per the reports, Aditya revealed that he had good relations with Sushant and due to the creative differences, Pani couldn't be formed. In the meantime, Shekhar Kapoor's statement was also reported by the Mumbai police. As per the reports, Shekhar Kapoor revealed that he was a very close friend of Sushant and after Pani got cancelled, Sushant was extremely sad as he had been working on this project for a very long time. Then comes the date, July 25. The case takes a turn on July 25 when KK Singh, the father of Sushant Singh Rajput, lodges an FIR in Patna for several allegations against Rhea Chakrabarti and his family. The allegations include fraudery and also abetment to suicide. Then comes the next date, July 28. On July 28, Mahesh Bhatt, famous filmmaker's statement was recorded by the Mumbai police. Now ED comes into picture and it states that it has filed a money laundering case in this matter. July 29, Rhea Chakrabarti moves to the Supreme Court seeking the transfer of the case from Patna to Mumbai. Then comes the date August 4. On August 4, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar asked for a CBI investigation in this matter. On August 6, CBI says it has lodged an FIR in the matter. Then comes August 7. Centre moves Supreme Court seeking to be made a party in Rhea's plea. Then comes August 8. Rajput's father, KK Singh, moves to the Supreme Court, opposing the Ria's plea. Then comes August 10. Ria moves fresh plea before Supreme Court, alleging the media trial. On August 11, Maharashtra government tells the Supreme Court that Bihar police lacks jurisdiction. Supreme Court reserves judgment on Ria's plea. Then comes August 19. Supreme Court upholds the transfer of the Patna FIR to the CBI in this case. So finally अब CBI आ चुकी है और उसने अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्ट भी कर दी है. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि CBI एक फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करे और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को जस्टिस जरूर मिले. This incident was very astonishing as well as very sad, but it will always be remembered in the history of India as a symbol of unity and awakening. बहुत सारे बदलाव आ रहे हैं और बहुत सारे बदलाव आएंगे. So let's hope for the best and special thanks to all the SSR warriors जिन्होंने दिन रात सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के इंसाफ की मांग की. You are the real heroes. You are the real fighters. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and keep watching Whistleblowers. Thank you.